was recording a rainbow over my garden railway. Well, it's hardly there yet. Just to say that in between wintry showers and hail, I'm looking at bringing it round this side, which means moving quite a few shrubs. But been rained off, but look, I'm in the middle of glorious sunshine with a rainbow in the distance. I'm having an attempt at setting out the other side of the garden, which rises up to meet the track and complete a circle. So here in front of the tree, I've just got a piece of, I don't know, batten material propped up there. It's about level. This one along here is sloping up. And then it reaches a big gravel board here. That gravel board is level and meets another gravel board there, which is also level, leading back to the step which was extended last time to try and meet up with the track coming round there. And so if I swing back again, that track slopes up a little bit from the bottom end of the garden to the board, which I've called the staging area for now, across that concrete and stone step into a trench or cutting here. There's the gravel board laid in the trench to try and get a level to that post, carrying that level on out to there, using the gravel board as my levelling, propped up on a brick and supported by a thin stake to a post which I've concreted in. That post is fixed, so that part I've decided upon. And so the line of the track is not quite parallel with the fence or border. I can now see a curve in that batten, so it will go a little bit further back in that corner, cut across in front of the tree. I didn't want it to go behind the tree and join up with the rest of the track. That's the plan at the moment. We'll see how that develops as I try and join everything up. And I think potentially we've got a 3 to 4 inch climb from that corner there to this point here. Right, fairly committed now. The post knocked in, batten screwed to it here. Same thing at that end there. Batten screwed there, screwed there. I'm yet to find the level along here before I screw it into the intermediate post. It's a long batten and therefore sags. And a bit of fiddling about and I'll soon have that one, and I'm then committed to the run of the track. This is as far as I've got today. I now need to do some other work. Can't spend all my time on this. I've been dodging the showers. Nothing special about the construction methods. It's the same construction method as I've shown on the other video. The only difference as I've come round this other corner is in setting out. You'll have seen some pictures of lots of sticks laid on the ground. I've done the setting out with timber. On the first corner it was set track pieces I was using to try and see where it would go, but what I've now been able to do is understand that if you have two tracks which look as though they're going to join each other at right angles, if you cross the corner with something 6 foot long or longer, as I have here, then you're going to be able to get a radius across that corner which is going to be third radius, so you're going to get quite a wide radius in there. So I've done the laying out with pieces of wood. It's obviously it's three-dimensional. The first one is getting the run to look right, and the second problem, well the only problem I've had to face is the incline. So that timber there, that gravel board, shows where the level comes through, and then I've been able to position lats, nail it onto posts, saw the posts to height, and get it so that it joins up there, more or less on the level, inclining slightly. And there we have it. Of course, as I sweep round, that's the bit that was being completed previously, including the pier, the extension of the stone step, and this is the gravel board at this end, showing where the level goes to that post in the middle. As you can see, water is ponding a little in the cutting, so that's the next thing, is solving the problem of drainage in the cutting. So quite a useful little bit of extra work done today. I'm quite pleased with that. The posts and fixing the posts. In some cases I dug a bit of a hole, knocked the posts in a bit, and then fixed them in with postcrete. They seem to be fairly solid done that way. In other cases I've just knocked the posts in, but if they hit a brick or stone, of course they don't go in far enough to be firm, and you may have to dig them out and dig a hole and put some postcrete in. There we go. A decision to make. What colour should I paint the wood? I'm thinking of green fence life type paint. What do you think? Brown would obviously, well, green or brown would blend it in quite nicely. But what colour do you think that wood should be painted?